Your Profile Ultra-Fast Combo Washer and Dryer has an easy-access dual-stage lint filter located between the display and the dispenser drawers for high-efficiency airflow. A big advantage of the combo is its ability to circulate high-speed clean air to completely dry the load with gentle tumbling. You'll notice that less lint is generated through air tumbling versus standard dryers. To get the best drying efficiency, it is important to start with the clean filter. To access the filter assembly, remove the filter frame from the combo by slowly pulling straight out and pressing on the tab to release. The filter contains a two-stage housing consisting of a lint filter and a foam filter. Clean the lint filter after every 5th dry cycle by running your fingers across it. Clean the foam filter approximately every 50 cycles or when notified by the combo display. Open the filter frame and remove the foam filter. Rinse filter and discard lint. Using a soft bristle brush and warm water, thoroughly clean both sides of the lint filter to remove any buildup of wash additives and lint that may accumulate in the fine mesh screen. You can also use the brush to clean the edges. You can inspect the lint filter by holding it up to a light with the foam filter removed to ensure that it is clean. When both filters are clean, reassemble the lint filter by properly aligning and snapping the foam filter frame into place. You should also periodically clean inside the filter area by using either a vacuum with a hose attachment or a long skinny brush. Be careful not to damage or bend the fins of the evaporator when cleaning. For more detailed instructions on cleaning the lint filter area, please consult our GE Profile Combo Washer Dryer or Advanced Lint Filter Cleaning video. Your combo will suggest when to clean the lint filter and foam filter. Never operate the combo without its filter in place. Please consult your owner's guide for more information on cleaning your filter.